Pet parents, get ready. It's time to learn a little bit about our pets' teeth. I've got Geralynn Cada here from Smarter Paw to tell us all about it. Hi, Geralynn. Oh my gosh, you have a little fur baby with you. Please introduce me.
Hi, Ashley. So this is Blue Mustang Sally. She's actually a 3/4 Border Collie, 1/4 Mini Aussie mix. She's 10 weeks old and she's learning how to have her teeth brushed currently. So this is a really great, first of all, thank you for having us today. And this will be a really fun way to learn how to brush your dog's teeth and also why it's so important.
Yes, no problem. Now, anytime I see a dog, I can't promise that my voice won't go up like this.
Mine does too.
I love them so much. Okay, can you tell us, let's just dive right into it, okay? I'm trying to stay professional. Can you tell us why we need to take care of our pets' teeth beyond just the dental chews that we give them?
So my favorite part of my dog is their heart, because they have such a great heart, don't they? And the best way to take care of their heart or to protect their heart and their other organs is by brushing and taking care of their teeth. Now, taking care of their teeth doesn't mean just a dental chew once in a while, although there are really great ones out there that do an effective job. You're still going to have to brush a little. It helps a lot. So when pets get all kinds of things in their teeth that are not removed properly, especially if they're chewy treats and some other gooey things that we might give to our pets, that actually starts a decay process. And the bloodstream, the vascular system from the teeth to the bloodstream to the heart is directly linked. It's one of the first places a lot of that blood will go. So if they're having issues, they'll actually have a heart condition from that and other organ issues from that. And it's such a simple thing that we shouldn't just leave to the wayside and go, oh, I just won't do that, or I'll let my vet take care of it when they clean their teeth professionally.
Oh, yes, because it's something that we can start doing at home. I love learning about different things that I can do at home, and also, you know, I don't necessarily have to take my dog to the vet, because I mean, for one, it can get expensive, and for two, I want to feel like I'm taking care of my pet at home and not just, you know, being selfish and getting all the love and hugs that I want.
Correct. So choosing their food, choosing their treats, and choosing their dental chews wisely definitely matters. You'll want something with a really great surface. Like, for instance, if you have a cat or a dog, I'll say a cat, just this round, because we want to talk about cats too. A lot of people have cats and dogs. So our Silvervine sticks from Meowing are fantastic because they have a antimicrobial property. So they help slow down the process of forming any kind of cavity or dental decay or tartar buildup. They're like we call them nature's toothbrush. So I think this is a really great item for cat lovers. And then when it comes to dogs, I like to know, first of all, why they're chewing so much. If they're chewing a lot and maybe even possibly breaking teeth, causing some distress to their teeth. And secondly, it's really easy to find dental chews, especially I love the Yummy Combs. They have a really nice surface area. So when the dogs chew on the actual Yummy Comb, it helps scrape that tartar and plaque off. These are fantastic. And both of these are available at stores near you, very close by, or on their websites. But most importantly, getting them used to having something, brushing their teeth, using your finger. I'm using this little finger caught toothbrush, which I love. Getting them used to having this in their mouth, even if they are not a puppy anymore, even if they're a little older, just be mindful and make certain that you do consult with your veterinarian. Make sure they don't have any broken teeth, infection, or pain before you start doing too much of this when they're older. However, it's really good to start that now.
Absolutely. Oh my gosh, this is so informational. I love it. I have a little pup at home, Knox, and I'm definitely going to start implementing this today, because this is something we can just go out and get and start, you know, bettering our practices at home with our pets today.
Yes, definitely. And also toys. There are a lot of toys that dogs can chew on that really help clean their teeth. But most importantly, once again, nothing beats a little finger brush or a regular dog toothbrush or cat toothbrush or our nature's toothbrush. But most importantly, that protects their heart and their other organs. So it's a really great way to love them even more, especially during the month of February when it's Pet Dental Health Month.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate you, okay?
Thank you. And thanks for having me. I look forward to seeing you guys again soon. She'll be a little bigger and we'll be
Yes,
brushing more.
absolutely. Oh, you know, I can't wait for that. Now, everybody out there,